Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Of course, if you're new here, I'm So. It ain't soul food if it ain't soul food, so let's get into this dish. Today, I have made an eggplant parmesan. Okay, this was highly requested. A lot of people have requested it on my Instagram, and I hope you guys like the recipe. Please let me know if you guys have any other recipes. Please comment down below so I could try whatever you like out. Please keep in mind though, I do not eat meat. I am vegetarian, sometimes vegan. Once in a blue moon, I do finagle on some pescatarian food sometimes, all right? So keep that in mind. But I did make a chicken parmesan, so that will be up on my channel, so make sure you check that out. So let's get into this dish. This is the eggplant parmesan, and I have paired it with some noodles. So I'm gonna be honest.
Oh my God, who the hell
I have
cares?
already began to dig in, so if my plate looks a little tiny, the girl was eating, okay? Like always, I'm not gonna play with these dishes, so you may think I'm trying to be cute eating this, but I'm not. I don't play, okay? I don't play. Let's do a thumbnail. Ooh. I tried. That was hot. Almost burned my mouth. I'm so hungry, y'all. I feel like inhaling these noodles like I'm Patrick Star on SpongeBob. This is really good. This is really my first time making eggplant parmesan. I usually steer away from eggplants. I'm not a big fan of it. Depends on who makes it, but I do like, as you see in my video, I like my eggplants to be crispy first before I bake them in the oven. So this is really good. I will make this again. I didn't know I was gonna enjoy it the way I'm enjoying it, you know? That was my thumbnail. Thank you. I'm sorry. God, please forgive me. I forgot to pray before I end up inhaling this food. Thank you. You do what you gotta do to get the job done, because I'm not gonna play. I don't play. And I'm gonna go back with another update. I'm finished. The review here was excellent, you know?
So if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications for every time I post a new recipe.
In case you were wondering, for any reason that you thought that I wasn't gonna finish this and go back for seconds, you thought wrong. Okay, I told you. I don't play around. This big mama. I'm small mama, but big mama. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit that like button and turn on your post notifications for every time I post a new video. I'll see you guys soon. Thank you for tuning in. Love you. It ain't soul food. I need a slogan. I mean, I got a saying, but I need a slogan. Like, help your girl out. Help me out. You know, I'm new around these streets. Help me out. Let's see what I can do. I'm about to go in. Yeah, I ain't rapping. Love y'all. Bye.